The long vowel E. Can you see the two letters coming together? Long E. So remember the long vowel rule? Two vowels do the walking. The first one does the talking. And it says the name. So we are going to say the name of this letter E. And we are going to tease like this. E. E. See the donkey in its stall. E-O, E-O is its call. E. B. Sheep. Scene. Tree. So we are going to say E. Let's read some more words. Long vowel E sound. E tree. Sleep sleep. In green. Jeep jeep. Eat seed. Eat feet. Bee. See. Eek peak. Keep keep. Free. Deep deep. So do not say deep, otherwise it will become short vowel I. We are going to make the long sound, so let's stretch the sound. Deep deep.